How to create your own avatar on WhatsApp. Hey everybody, welcome back to the video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own avatar on WhatsApp. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to the sticker section and you'll find your emojis, GIFs, and your avatar. And you'll see your stickers cut out here as well. So on the avatar, if you haven't created one, you'll have an option to create avatar. So just tap on it. If you want to create from a selfie that WhatsApp will integrate your face into your avatar, I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm just going to create my avatar manually. From here, you can just select your skin tone. And once you select your skin tone, then you can just tap on next. Now you'll have an option to choose your hairstyle. And once you are happy with your hairstyle, go ahead and choose your hair color. And if you don't find your option here, you can choose from this layout. So it will highlight the parts. So if you want it bright, you can swipe to the right. And if you want it a bit dark, you can swipe to the left. So once you have chosen your hair color, then you can also add highlights to it and you can choose your hair part if you want to part it left or right. And once that's done, you can tap on next. Now you have an option to choose the face shape. And once you're happy with it, you can choose your face width as well, like this. And once that is done, just go ahead and tap on next. You can also choose your face width, cheek fullness, jaw size, your chin size, and all of these good stuff. Tap on next. Now you can choose your body type, what kind of body you want. I'm just going to make my character jacked. And once that's done, you can choose the build. So if you want it more leaner or if you want to put on more mass, that's totally up to you. If you want more muscles, you can increase the size of these muscles as well. Or if you want less muscles, you can do that. If you want to increase your shoulder width, you can do that from here. Your bust, waist, hips, and stomach, and all of these stuff. Now tap on save and continue. And here comes the styling. So you can style your character according to your choice. Just put on all of these bottoms, shoes, outfit, dresses, and headwears, eyewears. So everything is customizable. And that's how you create your character. Just don't forget to hit the save button at last to save your character and you're good to go. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.